In a world where complexity often overshadows purpose, simplicity stands out as the true mark of brilliance. At Technikol, we're inspired by Da Vinci's timeless insight. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. What began as a father and son endeavor is now a dedicated team focused on bringing this philosophy to life in automotive innovation. Every new project has become an opportunity to expand our expertise, and with each step forward, we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Our mission is simple: to empower enthusiasts and professionals like ourselves to succeed in their projects by providing full cycle support from concept through to completion. At Technikol, we design with purpose and precision, ensuring that every detail enhances both form and function. Driven by our commitment to sophisticated simplicity, we are here to support people who share our passion for engineering excellence. With extensive experience in platform development, we've had the privilege of working on iconic vehicles like the Ford GT40, the Noble M12, and the Daytona Coupe. Our latest innovation, a universal chassis platform. Engineered to adapt to nearly any vehicle shape or style, it offers a scalable, cost-effective foundation for your custom vehicle project. At Technikol, we believe in building partnerships that last. Collaboration is at the heart of our process, ensuring that each decision aligns with your goals and is strengthened by our unique engineering principles. Make your automotive vision a reality. Let's start the journey together. Apply for a consultation today.